Incredible. Most people at 55 are looking to slow down. But this man decided to pick up a circular saw for the first time in his life. Creating a massive, high-end workspace doesn't require a massive budget. Today, we're breaking down DIY desk builds that prove smart engineering and stock materials can rival custom furniture. No experience? No problem. Let's look at the science of this build. The builder starts with standard furniture panels. To avoid the DIY look, precision is everything. He's using a miter saw for perfectly square edges, which is the only way to ensure the final assembly looks seamless. Before assembly, he applies a protective finish. This isn't just for aesthetics. It seals the wood fibers to prevent warping from humidity changes in the room. He uses a roller for an even, professional-grade spread on the main surface while detail brushing the edges. For the base, he's utilizing stock cabinets, but customizing them to hit the perfect ergonomic height. He's using an impact driver to secure the structural dividers, ensuring the desk can handle a heavy multi-monitor setup without bowing. To get that modern, floating look, the builder uses a wall-mounted support rail. By anchoring a timber cleat directly into the wall studs, he transfers the weight of the rear desk edge to the house's frame, allowing for a deep workspace without needing extra legs in the way.
Вообще залезть, а не висеть.
This is where the build gets pro. Using a hole saw and a template, he's integrating a flush mount power strip directly into the desktop. He even takes the time to route the cables through the internal cabinets, hiding the cable nest entirely from view. To finish off the workspace, he's installing flush mount socket boxes directly into the desktop. This clever bit of integrated cable management allows for a seamless professional power hub that keeps the desk surface completely clear of messy wires. To finish off the workspace, he's installing flush mount socket boxes directly into the desktop. This clever bit of integrated cable management allows for a seamless professional power hub that keeps the desk surface completely clear of messy wires. To finish off the desktop, he's wiring up and installing flush mount power sockets directly into the surface. This creates a clean, pro-level aesthetic while providing easy access power right where it's needed most. The final panels are slid into place with a friction fit before being secured from underneath. The end result is a massive, modern workspace that cost a fraction of a retail equivalent. To prove just how rock solid this $300 build is, he's putting the structural integrity to the ultimate test. By mounting a pull-up bar directly over the workspace and using the desk as a landing platform, he's showing that this isn't just a piece of furniture, it's a heavy-duty piece of engineering designed to handle maximum stress. Proof that a $320 investment and 40 minutes of your day can completely transform your workflow. If you learned something new about joinery or cable management today, hit that like button and subscribe to join the crew. This was the Build Breakdown. Goodbye.